Hey there, welcome back to another episode. So on this video I'll be showing you how you can fix your payment method revision required issue on your Amazon. Now if you're constantly facing Amazon says payment revision required, now this kind of issue occurs because of a few different things such as expiry credit card, insufficient fund in your account, or incorrect billing information. If you're having trouble with your payment method, don't panic just yet. In order to fix it, you need to change or update your payment method. For that, you need to go to your Amazon app. After that, it's going to log you into your Amazon account. So on this interface, it's going to direct you to the Amazon account. So over here, what you need to do is you need to go to your profile icon, which is located right at the bottom. Now this is going to direct you to the official web page of your Amazon account. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Right over here, what you need to do is in order to fix it, first of all, you need to go to your account. After that, it's going to direct you to the account information page. Here, what you need to do is you need to go to your payment. Over here, you'll be able to see all of your payment method. So go through the information. In my case, I have not added a payment method, but in your case, you'll be able to see and edit or update information. So what you have to do is basically you need to change your credit card, maybe use a different credit card, and that might be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, you can also check the information. Maybe you must have provided some wrong information. Maybe there is an incorrect spelling, or maybe the CVV code that you provided is invalid. And apart from that, you might also check your expiry date of your card. So that is basically how you can fix your payment revision required issue on your Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.